Hi, I'm Nicholas Mayer, and I'm the project manager for Team CodeWord. This semester, we're working on a project to build a social media tracker for AusCERT, the Australian Cyber Emergency Response Team. The social media tracker is designed to scrape data from various social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, looking for certain keywords and then returning results. It provides alerts when posts potentially indicating an impending cyber attack on an organization appear, and also gives a picture of sentiment towards an organization on social media. This video will guide you through our current prototype and explain our user experience choices and the reasoning behind them.
The user experience goals we set for this project are informativeness, simplicity, reliability, and a dynamic interface. We came up with these goals after meeting with our client and based them on the actual requirements regarding functionality of the project and user research. The user pool contains professionals specialising in IT security, marketing teams who use the product to gain feedback on their campaigns, and managerial staff who oversee IT and marketing teams. Ideally, the system should be simple enough for a marketing user to use, but with enough depth for a user with an IT background to get useful information out of it. Simplicity is essential, as there's a mix of experienced and inexperienced users regarding technology. However, it's assumed that users have basic computer literacy.
This is the dashboard. It contains general details about threats and a location map. It's the main page of our application. As you can see, the design is very simple. It's easy on the eyes and not cluttered. Simplicity is further emphasized by having a separate side navigation bar so that there's no confusion between the internal applications pages and the AusCERT pages. Hover messages and pop-outs will be used to inform users of an element's function. This is our barometer page. It shows the sentiment level for a certain keyword, i.e. positives and negatives. The informativeness goal is reached by visually displaying data in terms of graphs and heat maps. This is the mentions page, which quotes scraped posts. In order to give the users a sense of reliability, the user interface should flow smoothly, achieved by matching the existing AusCERT colour scheme and general layout. A font that is easy to read has been chosen for text. And of course, the returned result should be accurate to gain the user's trust. The dynamic nature of the interface is dependent upon threat levels. We have designed the application to email threat notifications, and while the user is on the application, a pop-up message will alert them of any high-level risks.
The purpose of this web application is to detect online threats and inform the user of them. Therefore, it is preferable to not have any filters on the page aside from the section giving each type of information.
The information presented must be reliable as it is a matter of security and should be relevant to the user. The information must also be presented in a visual appealing format so that the user can easily interpret the information provided to them. As this is an application centered on cyber safety, a dynamic interface will greatly benefit the user experience. It will allow for quicker response times.
Quality is a major concern for this system, and as such we'll be doing evaluations on each iteration of the prototype. The team will be personally assessing some of the functional aspects of the user experience, such as the speed with which results come through after a search has been initiated, and whether or not the category of the system puts them in for threat or sentiment matches the category they should be in. This is important for making the system reliable and able to be trusted, because people won't use it if it reports too many things incorrectly. To evaluate other aspects of the user experience, we'll be doing short tests with people in the fields of marketing and IT, as they are our two main user groups. The tests will be about how easily they can do the standard tasks in the system and how easily they can get the information they need. This will let us know if the information needs to be displayed differently to be easily understood, and whether or not the information being displayed is relevant to users' concerns. We'll also ask questions to make sure that users are understanding what's going on, and so we can get any feedback they have. All of this will be carefully documented in the same style each time, so we can compare results between iterations and make sure the user experience is being improved.
This concludes our UX profile video vlog. Please direct any question to the team. We hope it was informative, and if you have any feedback you would like to give, get in touch with us. Keep an eye out for our next video update in 3 weeks' time.